In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to reverse a change, redo it if you change your mind again, and what to do if the buttons aren't immediately visible. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you're working on. Once your document is up, look toward the top of the window. You should see the undo and redo controls on the toolbar. They typically look like curved arrows, one pointing left for undo and one pointing right for redo. Click undo to reverse your most recent change, things like typing in a form field, adding a comment, highlighting text, or moving an object. If you decide you actually wanted that change, click redo to bring it back. If you don't see the undo and redo buttons on the toolbar, don't worry. They can be hidden depending on your layout or customization. In that case, go to the main menu in the top left of your screen and open the edit menu. Inside the edit menu, you'll find undo and redo listed near the top. Click undo to step back one action, or click redo to move forward again. This is especially handy if your toolbar is minimal or you're on a smaller screen. You can click undo multiple times to move back through your recent history, and the same goes for redo as long as there are actions available to reapply. If either option is grayed out, it simply means there's nothing more to undo or redo at that moment. Keep an eye on the document as you click to confirm each change is being reversed or restored as expected. For a faster workflow, use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. If you're on a Mac, use Command+Z. You can tap it repeatedly to keep stepping backward through your recent changes. To redo, press Ctrl+Shift+Z. On a Mac, that's Shift+Command+Z. These shortcuts are great when you're making a lot of small edits and want to move quickly without reaching for the mouse. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Some operations may not be undoable, and your undo history generally applies to the current session and document. If you close the file, the history resets. When in doubt, check the edit menu to confirm whether undo or redo is available. That's it. Open Acrobat, use the toolbar or the edit menu to undo or redo, and rely on the shortcuts Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Shift+Z, Command+Z, and Shift+Command+Z on a Mac for speed. With these options, you can edit with confidence and easily correct any step along the way.